Hi guys, today we're putting on new steps to the truck. I took off these old ones. My sister's here unpacking the new ones. I've got all the tools, brackets, and we are gonna get under here and start mounting them on these little posts I prepped with these plastic pegs. And Max is coming to say hi. I'll update you once we get all the brackets on. We got it on one side. Here's kind of a better look at it, and kind of from underneath how we've got it mounted on there. I'll show you the other side. We got to fit it. We've got all the brackets mounted. They're on kind of loosely. I have to get actually, but I gotta get way up here and put this guy in there. And after we do that, we're good to put on the steps. So I'll update you once we get the other side on. All right, my hair's a mess from being upside down, but we got it done. She's tightening the last few. We kind of ran into a lot of hiccups getting this last one on. It's done, it's over, and I'll give you a quick view of what it looks like. Sheesh. Look at that. Here's our other side. Was about a 6-hour job, and it should have taken us 3. Thank you guys.